Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a funnel pour, but I will kind of try to wander a little bit with it. And I will use just gold, my pearl white mixture and black today. And all my paints are mixed with Owatrol Floetrol. I hope that my paints are not too thick, and I have some white for the flow extender base coat, whatever you want to call it. So I kind of want to wander here, and that's why I will add this white here first. And I will start with some black and then some pearl white and gold. I will add kind of a lot of gold, I think. And black again. And pearl white. Gold again. And some black again. And some pearl white. And I will end this up with gold, I believe. Maybe a little bit of black on top. Okie doke. So now I will just trying to looks like zebra or something right now, like the funnel. I don't know what to think about that. Like the effects, but don't know what to think about the painting. definitely an interesting one, but I'm not sure about it. It's interesting how here is almost black and here is gold. I don't know why. So I just thinking to maybe tilt a little bit of this black, but I don't want those cells to get all wonky, or how can I say, because I like these cloudy looking cells. It's definitely an interesting one, so I will just leave it to dry. I will not be able to show you the dried results today because I'm painting this today on Monday. But look at all those cells, they're like stones or something. I definitely like this part much more than this one. I really don't have an answer why one part is more black and the other one is more gold. I was hoping for some lines but didn't expect to work this way, but I don't know, I kind of like it, even though if I watch it from here it's kind of creepy, like a creature or something, but I want to see how this will dry. Yeah. I don't know, tell me in the comments what you sorry for my voice, think about this. But definitely a lot of effects. So if you are looking for some cells, Vallejo Pearl Media mixed with titanium white and Floetrol definitely give you a ton of cells, as you can see. Okay, like a pleats or something. I will end up this video here and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!